everyone suddenly wants to visit you once you move to Florida?
Well, this home was practically designed for it, with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a private guest spaces, and incredible outdoor area overlooking the lake.
Let's take a look. Have you ever noticed that everyone suddenly wants to come visit you once you move to Florida?
Well, this is the home, and it was practically designed for it, with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, private guest spaces, and an incredible outdoor area overlooking the lake.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Olin.
And I'm Amanda Bolduc, and we're your Southwest Florida modern luxury realtors with Residence by eXp Realty. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Southwest Florida, or you would like a private tour of this home, you can call or text us at the number on the screen.
You can also find our contact information right in the description of this video, along with a link for full property details, photos, and pricing. Now, let's head inside and show you around. This beautifully upgraded Marsala model provides peaceful lake views, upgraded hurricane protection, and custom features, designed for both entertaining and everyday living in mind. As soon as you walk through the front door, one of the first things you'll notice is just how grand this foyer feels. Compared to many of the other floor plans, the Marsala offers a much wider entry that immediately creates a sense of openness and luxury.
Between the custom glass front door, crown molding, the diagonal tile flooring, built-in niche, and the long sight line leading all the way to the pool and lake views beyond, this home makes an incredible first impression.
Immediately to your right is the first guest bedroom, which is perfectly positioned next to a full bathroom.
Even though it's not technically an ensuite, the layout makes it feel like one, giving guests their own private corner of the home.
And if you've ever moved to Florida, you know exactly what happens next. Friends and family suddenly start looking for plane tickets.
Funny how nobody wanted to come and visit in February when you lived up north.
This bedroom also features its own walk-in closet, making it comfortable for guests whether they're staying for a few weeks or escaping winter for a few months.
As we continue down the hallway towards the back of the home, you'll find the dedicated office tucked behind these beautiful solid double doors.
Whether you're working remotely, need a quiet reading room, or simply want additional sleeping space, this room offers incredible flexibility. The current owners even have a setup with a corner desk and a sleeper sofa.
Across the hall is a second guest bedroom, and this one truly feels like a private retreat.
Complete with its own ensuite bathroom featuring a frameless glass walk-in shower, it's the perfect setup for visiting family, adult children, or long-term guests.
And just beyond the guest room is this dedicated laundry room, complete with utility sink and extra cabinetry for storage.
And because it's located right off of the garage, this is one of those practical spaces that just make every day feel easier. Whether you're unloading groceries, washing beach towels after a day by the pool, or hosting family and friends, the extra storage and utility sink are features you'll appreciate every single day.
As we make our way into the heart of the home, this is where the Marsala floor plan really shines.
One of the reasons this model is so popular is because of its open concept design. The kitchen, dining, and living room all flow seamlessly together, creating one large space that's perfect for everyday living and entertaining.
Whether you're hosting the holidays, watching the game with friends, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, everyone naturally stays connected.
And honestly, that's what Florida living is all about. It's not just about having beautiful spaces. It's about creating a home where family gathers, where kids run in and out from the pool, and where friends linger just a little longer over dinner and drinks.
One of our favorite features of this floor plan is the way that the kitchen island is positioned. In so many homes, the island faces a wall or another room, but here you're looking straight out to the pool and the lake.
This means that whether you're making breakfast in the morning, helping the kiddos with snacks, or entertaining friends for dinner, you're always enjoying one of the best views in the house.
It's such a simple design detail, but it completely changes how the home feels and how you experience the space every day.
Another design feature of the Marsala floor plan that we absolutely love is this extra large buffet space that is perfect for entertaining. It also offers you significantly more cabinetry and storage than many other homes in the place.
So between the oversized buffet and entertaining area, the abundance of cabinet space, the custom pantry shelving, and the dedicated electric outlet inside the pantry for your coffee maker or toaster, there's room for everything while keeping your countertops clean and clutter-free.
Now the kitchen is finished with GE stainless steel appliances, including a GE profile dishwasher and a massive island that naturally becomes the centerpiece of the home.
And as an added benefit, the furniture in this home is available if you so desire a seamless moving experience.
Now, let's step into the owner's suite, where you'll wake up every morning to beautiful views of the pool and lake.
This spacious retreat features not one, but two walk-in closets, both outfitted with custom built-ins that maximize storage and organization.
And the primary bathroom truly feels like your own private spa, featuring dual sinks, a soaking tub, a large frameless glass shower with an upgraded handheld feature, and a separate water closet.
It's the perfect place to unwind after a day spent enjoying everything that Southwest Florida has to offer.
And now for what Florida living is all about. Step outside onto your screened lanai with a pool and a hot tub. You'll immediately notice the peaceful lake views and incredible space to start enjoying your new Florida lifestyle.
Imagine starting your mornings with a beautiful sunrise, spending the afternoons by the pool, and ending the day with family and friends enjoying a glass of wine overlooking the lake.
And the best part of all, this home comes fully hurricane prepared. The whole home generator, attached accordion shutters, and Storm Smart hurricane shades provide added peace of mind when the hurricane is on the way.
Of course, living in the place at Corkscrew isn't just about the home, it's about the lifestyle.
Residents enjoy one of Southwest Florida's most impressive amenity centers, including a resort-style pool with a water slide, a full restaurant and bar, a bourbon bar, cafe, fitness center, pickleball courts, tennis courts, bocce ball, basketball courts, and a dog park.
There's also a playground, a splash pad, year-round community events, and miles of sidewalks perfect for walking, jogging, or biking.
And whether you're looking for an active social lifestyle or simply a place to relax and enjoy the Florida sunshine, the place truly offers something for everyone.
Imagine meeting friends for happy hour at the Barefoot Bar, spending the morning playing pickleball, grabbing lunch at the cafe, and then coming home to relax by your own private pool overlooking the lake.
Sounds good to me. And then beyond the gates, you are conveniently located near Coconut Point, Miramar Outlets, Hertz Arena, Regional Southwest Florida International Airport, championship golf courses, and some of Southwest Florida's most beautiful beaches. In summary, what makes this Marsala model so special isn't just the 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, or all of the thoughtful upgrades. It's the lifestyle that comes with it.
From the grand foyer and flexible guest space to the open concept living area, the hurricane protection, and the beautiful lake views, this home was designed for the way people actually live in Southwest Florida.
So whether you're entertaining family, hosting friends for the winter, or simply enjoying a quiet morning coffee overlooking the pool, every space in this house feels connected to what makes Florida living so special.
And when you combine all that is included with the amenities and the lifestyle that the place at Corkscrew offers, it's easy to see why so many people choose to call this community home.
If you would like more information or want to schedule a private tour, we would love to show you around. You can contact us to schedule your private tour.
And subscribe to this channel for more Southwest Florida home tours, community guides, and local real estate insights.
Again, I'm Kelly Olin.
And I'm Amanda Bolduc, and we're your Southwest Florida modern luxury realtors with Residence by eXp Realty.